Happy Memorial Day. I think I stepped in dog poop. What better way to honor the troops than by getting a mattress on sale? Or a carpet? Or some airbags? Get in the zone, AutoZone. I wish I could go to like a jungle. I went to a bar that had a Guns N' Roses themed pinball machine. It's a very special pinball machine. It's one of the few machines that you could play on your knees. On your knees. On your knees. I think I stepped in dog poop. Get in the zone, AutoZone.